It says I'm supposed to put it in the blender. That's why I have a blender out. Guys, cover your ears. Steam? There's steam coming out.
My potions are too strong for you, traveler.
I didn't put sugar in.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Oh, that's probably what's missing.
Yeah. Could do another tablespoon of water too. Damn, that's good. It's only just a little bit. This is good on, I bet this is good on meat, like steak. Babe, I don't think I can do this. Okay, your turn to finish.
So we're gonna finish off where Lindsay left off. Following this step by step, adding some water to the pot first. Salt, and pepper. Now does sliced mean the entire slice? Or does sliced mean like, obviously I'm no fine dining chef. Go up and down and up and down. The autistic hand washing.